Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Now, this video that I am doing on today kind of tugs at my heartstrings a little, actually a lot, but I've had to go through this before where there is a box that I absolutely love that kind of hung up its towel, okay? However, I want to share some really fond memories of the Beem Box, okay? Now, for those of you who are familiar with my channel, you know all about the Beem Box, okay? And for those of you who are not, who are stopping by and saw this title and wanted to know what the big deal was, let me just tell you. The Beem Box, the curator, creator, all things Beem Box, her name is Mimi. And she founded the Beem Box to create a community that admires and acknowledges those who are often left out. Us with a darker hue, that kind of thing, in the beauty conversations. She said more than a beauty box, her aim with the Beem Box was to encourage and inspire the beauty that was within all of us, okay? She believed that makeup did not validate beauty, but rather amplified it, and she said the true beauty that is already present is what it amplified. Now, I really enjoyed getting the Beem Box. It was an every other month box, and I think when I joined this particular community, she had only been doing the box for maybe 2 or 3 months. She was so amazing with her choices. She was featured in different magazines, things like that. And for me, I can only speak for me, but she helped me to stretch my makeup game. Why? Because when I received boxes from her that she curated, I'm like, this is not something I ever would have chosen. I never would have chosen a burnt orange color lipstick. Never. I never would have chosen a lipstick like this one, but she truly stretched me. And there was never a Beem Box that I received that I did not like. I'm telling you, that's very, very difficult to say. All of her products were full size, and she did offer sample sizes of products in the box, but they were not part of the items that made up the full-size products that were in there, okay? Now, I want to tell you a little bit about how she said she curated the box and how she decided what would go inside. She says she did her very best to select products from brands that align with the beliefs that diversity and inclusion matter in beauty. She looked for brands that offered products that are perfect for brown-skinned beauties that subscribed to this Beem Box. Okay, now she said, in stride with the mission statement of encouragement and empowerment, we also look to include products from women-owned businesses, women-owned brands, okay? I'm telling you, I appreciated her. She was featured on Crate Joy, Sheer, Elle, Cosmo, and even Voyage LA. So she was no slouch, not by any stretch of the imagination. Her packaging of her boxes, always beautiful. I'm going to roll some footage over here of some of the boxes and products that we received over the time that I've been, a part of this Beem Box community. She always reached out. She always kept us informed. it was just an amazing relationship to be a part of, okay? You felt like you weren't just a number, but you were actually part of a community, part of a family, okay? Now, in an email to us subscribers, she did let us know that this would potentially be the last box, but she didn't stop there. She said, but she is hoping that this will be temporary. Now, I can appreciate the reason why she needed to do this. Now, I am all for our mental health, and she was doing this box on her own. She never took a salary. She was always very transparent with us. She bought companies online with us to show us how to use these products, and allowed us a question and answer period with these different brands as well as their creators. Okay, so this, I have absolutely, in case you can't tell, I had absolutely nothing bad to say about these boxes, about this service. I truly, truly wish her the best. Her box rivaled those that were big names. Rivaled them. Okay, hands down. Hands down. Amazing customer service. But the thing is, when you're doing all of these things yourself, you can very easily become burned out. You can very easily, and I understand that, and I can appreciate her taking a step back so that she could still be in a good headspace. I have introduced her box to so many people, and they have loved it just like I have. I've never heard anyone say anything negative about her service, about the Beem Box, and the way in which this business was handled. So I'm sad, but I'm anticipating, that she will be able to hire a staff, and she will be able to continue this amazing service that she was providing to Black and brown skinned women around the world. Amazing. Amazing. Mimi, based on everything that you have presented to us, every tool, every lipstick, every blush or eyeshadow palette, every encouraging word, I appreciate you. And I appreciate everything that you have done, and I am so looking forward to you coming back. I really, really am. And I will do everything that I can do to help your business flourish the more. Okay? I understand we are on completely different coasts. However, I'm here because you were so good. You are so good at what you've done. I appreciate everything that you have shown us, the fact that you have stretched me to make me better at this creative side. You encourage us, whether we apply the makeup, sold the makeup, or created the makeup. You absolutely encouraged us to continue to move on in a positive manner. I wish you the absolute best. I'm holding on for you to come back. I really, really am. And even if you don't, trust me, the things that you have done have made an impact. If no one else, you've made an impact on me. But I know it's others because I've heard them say so. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. And to you, the viewers, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.